Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss uh, cubic graphs like this. So, cubic graph we have a x have a cubic function, and the power of x is up to 3, and we have this problem x, we have given this y is equal to x cube plus 5, and we have to complete this table. So y is equal to this x, and y is equal to x is equal to minus 3 to plus 3, and we have to find the corresponding value of y is equal to x cube plus 5. So x cube and plus 5 are obtained first, and then by adding this we have obtained the value of y, and we have plotted the graph. So this is the graph we have plotted, and from this graph we see that at x tends to infinity, y will be y tends to infinity. For minus infinity, this y tends to minus infinity. So this y is going to plus infinity, and this y is going to minus infinity for x is equal to minus infinity. And we have to find the value at y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. So this x cube is equal to plus 5 is equal to 0. So x cube is equal to minus 5, and taking the cube root on both sides, so this x is equal to minus 1.71, which is here. So in the second question, copy and complete the table. Y is equal to minus x cube, and x is given, and x cube is given, and we have to find the minus x cube. So minus x cube is plus. So this can be plotted here, placed here by this, and we can draw the table. So draw the graph and then solve the equation. Minus x cube is equal to 6. So let's solve this. So x cube minus 27 minus 8 minus 1 0 1 8 27, and this minus 27 is 27 minus 8 8 minus 1 1 0 0 1 minus 1, this is 8, this is minus 8. So this is minus 8, and this is 7 27, so this is minus 27, and from this we draw like this. So here we see that at minus infinity, x is equal to minus infinity, this is plus, this goes to plus infinity, and for plus infinity of x, y goes to this infinity, this plus infinity, so minus infinity, sorry. So y goes to minus infinity. So because this coefficient is minus, because of this minus, so we draw this graph, and we have to find the value of the graph. So solve the equation. Minus x cube is equal to 6. So at x cube is equal to minus 6, minus x cube is equal to 6. So this graph is minus x cube. So at x is equal to 6, we can read this value from the graph. So y is minus x cube, minus x cube is equal to 6. So the corresponding value of x is 1.82. So this is part of the third question. Here we copy and complete the table. Y is equal to 1 over x. So x is value is minus 10 to 10, and values are given here, and the corresponding value of y is equal to this, and so we have plotted it like this. So y is equal to 1 over x, we have this plot, and y is equal to 1 over x. For this negative side we have this plot. So correspondingly, for x is equal to 0.3, we have a value of x is equal to 3.33, and for 1 over x is equal to minus 5, we have x is equal to 0.5. So x minus 5 here, and the corresponding value of y is minus 0.2. So this value is obtained, and so make a table for the value y is equal to x cube minus 12x plus 2, for x is equal to minus 3 2 plus 4. So draw the graph of x cube minus 12 plus 2, and solve the equation. X cube minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have minus 3 to 4 we have plotted here and tabulated, and corresponding values of y is obtained here, and then we draw the graph like this, and we see the graph is like this. This goes to here and this goes to upside. So at and we can find this value here. This value is very close to 3.5 or 3.4. We see this this gives a 0 value. So for y is equal to 0, we can approximate and we can find the value here. Similarly for this value, this is very close to, so this is 0.1 or 0.2. This value will give us the answer. So this is make a table of values for y is equal to x cube minus x square minus 6x, for x is equal to minus 3 to plus 4, and draw the graph x cube minus x square minus 6x, and use the graph to solve x cube minus x square minus 6 is equal to 0. So y is equal to x cube minus x square minus 6x, and we take out this root x, and then we draw and we solve it. So we factorize it as x minus 3 x plus 2, and by substituting values of minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 to plus 4, and the corresponding values of y are obtained here, and we plotted this here on this graph. And from this graph we have to find the c part, this value. So we can see that at 3 points this is crossing 0, at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 3, and x is equal to minus 2. So this is x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to 3. So these are the 3 solutions. We can see it here in this graph. So this is, in the next session we will discuss other problems.